and don't pay me any mind over here erasing this stuff. I did this on the slide that you're going to be using for your assignment, and I don't want you guys to do that. So students, I'm logged in as the test student. Let me get over here to the your class. Your class is Mrs. Frecking. So while I'm doing this, the reason why we're doing this is because I need to show you guys how to do this assignment for for tablet users. Google Slides. All right, so we just saw the video. There we go. And then we're going to look at slide number 5. Slide number 5, we have a balloon, we have a folder, and we have a paper clip. Okay? So let me get over here and get ready to go with Ms. Frecking's class. It's going to come up right here. Okay. So I'm now logging in as Ms. Frecking. I have my tablet right here. I open up the assignment. So tablet users, you're going to find your assignment at the bottom. You're going to open up Google Slides, test person, copy and paste. I'm going to work my way down to slide number 5. So students, in order to make this thing work, you need to tap on the square that has the arrow pointing to the right. That lets you edit. It can edit on your Google Slides. All right. So slide number 5. Here I go. So I hear somebody's microphone. Let's keep those microphones where they need to be. So laptop users, you can also pay attention, but tablet users, please keep a sharp eye on what we're getting ready to do. So students, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the balloon, which is in the corner right there. I tap on the balloon. As you can see, it just highlighted, right? Down below, I see a menu that pops up, and it gives me a cut, a copy, a paste, a delete, all these other types of options. I'm going to tap on the copy, okay? Then I tap away. It's no longer highlighted. And then I tap again, and then I paste. The students, as you just saw, I just copied the balloon. Now I'm going to tap on the copy, and then I'm going to drag it and move it over to where it needs to go. All right? Then I'm going to do the same thing for the folder. All right. So then, as you can see, I just highlighted it. Now I'm going to copy it. I tap away, tap again, and then I paste it. This is now going to get moved over to the folder column. Let's do the same thing for the paper clip. We copy it, paste it, and then put it right there like that. So as you can see, I just did everything on the tablet right here. You guys were able to observe it on your screens. There's one extra thing that we have to do on the tablets to make sure that we are showing that we understand what those keyboard shortcuts are. So you're going to tap right here, and then you're going to get the menu to come up. It's going to say either paste or add a comment. We're going to add a comment, so we're going to open up the comment. The comment's going to be Control CTRL space, and then plus space C, and then we're going to do the same thing one more time, CTRL space, and then V. So students, I want you guys to raise your hands. I'm going to ask you guys a question. If you know what Control plus C means, please raise your hand. Okay, can't see her. Aja, go ahead and tell me.
Copy.
Very good. And then who wants to tell me what Control plus V means? All right, Maximus, go ahead and tell me what Control plus V means.
Control plus V means paste.
Very good. So students, if you're a tablet user, I need you guys to add the comment. As you can see, I just put the comment in the top left corner of the slide. It says test person 9:23 a.m. today, Control plus C, Control plus V. All right, students, so you both, tablet and laptop users, you both received a demonstration on how to do this assignment. One last thing, and then we need to wrap it up. We are getting close on time, so just bear with me. So students, we're going to come down here to slide number 8. Okay, slide number 8, the orange slide has already been done for you. So we're just going to leave the orange slide as it is. However, the red slide, we need to highlight some words. So it's the same thing as with the image. The sun is in the center, and then we're going to find of the solar system. We highlight it, okay? But to highlight it, that is a click and then a drag, and you highlight the text that you want to copy. You do a Control C, and then over here, you click over here to where it needs to go, and then you do a Control V to paste it. And then there we go. We have both the left column and the right column. They look exactly the same. We're going to do the same thing for this middle one. Highlight it, Control C. We're going to put that right here, Control V, and there it is. And then this one over here, every wave has a crest, and every wave and through has a crest. We're going to add has a crest. So you can highlight it, Control C. Just make sure that you just click on it one time, Control V, and there we go. So you're going to make sure that you do that. Then go back to your assignment, you turn it in, and everything is fine. We have about 1 or 2 minutes for really good questions.